All right, so I'm back with another credit repair video in my car again. All right, so I'm on this shooting credit repair videos in the car series thing. All right, but today it's going to be a quick video on dispute letters. So I get a lot of questions about how do I write a dispute letter? Should I write a dispute letter this way? Should I write a dispute letter that way? All right, so here's the thing. There's no magic wording that needs to go in a dispute letter. See, there's a lot of misunderstandings about writing a dispute letter. You don't have to have these magic words to get the credit bureaus to do something, right? Because see, the credit bureaus are not even reading your letters. It's a computer reading your dispute letters. So if you want the credit bureaus to do something, you have to write for the supercomputers that are actually reading your dispute letter. All right, so if there's videos out there on YouTube talking about a magic 609 letter and this magic letter, this and that, come on guys, there's no magic in the letter. Okay, all right, so it's really strategy, you see, because the credit bureaus themselves don't read the letter. All right, it's computers that's reading the letter and breaking the letter down and then forwarding that information over to the creditors. And then the creditors respond back whether your disputes are valid or not. All right. So whenever you're writing a dispute letter by hand, or if you're writing the dispute letter on a computer, there's only a couple key things that you have to remember. Study your credit report. Get good at studying your credit report, right? Get good at finding problems with your credit report. Grab those problems line by line from your credit report. Write a dispute letter based on facts of the credit report. Ask the credit bureaus to fix or remove the inaccurate information on your credit report. You don't have to have legalese in the letter unless you are really going to sue the credit bureaus. If you're really going to sue the credit bureaus, or you're really going to get an attorney involved, then at that point, that's when you need to put that type of language in a letter. But if you're trying to get something fixed or corrected or removed, just tell the credit bureau in normal language the problems and tell them what you want them to do. And then also tell them to get back with you within 30 days. It's very simple. It's very straight to the point. There's no magic in writing a dispute letter. All right, it's really in how you follow up with the credit bureaus. It's really on if you get a lawyer involved. It's really more about if you file complaints with regular organizations to help you deal with the credit bureaus. Okay, so all these fancy 609 letters and credit sweeps and all of this crap out there on the internet, you know, don't even try all those different things. Just write a basic letter to the credit bureaus disputing based on facts. All right, this is Mark Claiborne from StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com. If you like that quick dispute video, we have more training. I have a credit repair mastery class that you may be interested in. You just click the link below. Click anywhere below this video to learn more about how to repair credit the right way and the legal way, right? We don't have to try to use all these different tactics to try to get inaccurate items removed from the credit report. If you need to get an attorney involved, get them involved. Get them involved early. Don't wait. Don't go back and forth with the credit bureaus. Get the attorney involved quickly if you truly have inaccurate information on your credit report. Again, click the link below to learn more.